हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज अपन मुंबई में नहीं है, आज है अपन सोनीपत में। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जेई का रिजल्ट आ चुका है। जिनका जिनका आईआईटी हो गया उन सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर यू। और जिनका नहीं हुआ उनकी मदद करने में यहाँ पे आ चुका हूँ। टुडे वी आर इन अ कॉलेज विच इज फाउंडेड बाय आईआईटीएंस। इनफैक्ट जो यहाँ के वाइस चांसलर है शोभित जी, वो आईआईटी बॉम्बे के एलुमनाई रह चुके हैं, आईएसबी के एलुमनाई रह चुके हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वॉशिंगटन के भी एलुमनाई रह चुके हैं। उनसे मिलने वाले हैं, अपन उनसे बातें भी करेंगे। ये रही उनकी यूनिवर्सिटी, Rishiwood University, and today we are going to have an amazing tour of Rishiwood University. Rishiwood University offers variety of program, but their best program is Makers Undergrad. We will be talking about it in detail later in this video. But before that, let me tell you about the various highlights about Rishiwood University. You will be getting opportunities such as global study treks to USA, Singapore and Europe. You will be getting paid mandatory internships and comprehensive placement assistance, a 5 million venture fund for student startup. Every student will be getting MacBook in his or her first year itself, and there will be guest lectures from industry experts. Today we will be walking around Rishiwood University starting from the library, cafeteria and learners arena. So let's begin. तो यहाँ पे स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का एक काफ़ी अच्छा फोटो है। लाइब्रेरी के जस्ट नीचे है, मेक्स सेंस। अभी अपन जा रहे हैं मेन ऑडिटोरियम। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली दो ऑडिटोरियम, एक मिनी एंड एक मेन। तो फिलहाल वी आर गोइंग इनटू द मेन। एंड गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस ऑडिटोरियम इज दैट यहाँ पे बहुत दिग्गज लोग आ चुके हैं, जैसे कि अंकित बैनपुरिया, अंकुर वारिको,
राधिका घाई, प्रतीक महेश्वरी, शिव खेरा and Saurabh Singh, CEO of Desmania Innovation Lab.
all have been here on the same stage, and this particular auditorium has a capacity of 400 people, fully air conditioned, just for you. What would be your guess about this place? पहला cafeteria होगा because seating area is like that, but actually this is library, and this is the outer area, kind of external library, outdoor library है. But the internal library is way more beautiful. I mean, I have never seen library like this in my entire life. Like, I'm not buttering it, I am completely honest. Most lovely thing about this library is this staircase. It is, as I said, beautiful. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे books हैं और ये area basically books का है। बाकी वहाँ पे ऐसे पर्सनल कंपार्टमेंट्स हैं जहाँ पे आप बैठ के शांति से पढ़ सकते हो मस्त तरीके से। लुक, ऑटोमेटिक डोर्स, एंड दिस इज़ रीडिंग हॉल एरिया, फुल्ली एयर कंडीशनड। एंड यहाँ पे आप पीसी पे भी पढ़ सकते हो बिकॉज ई बुक्स भी है यहाँ पे। एंड द पर्सनल कंपार्टमेंट्स आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट आर ओवर हेयर। दिस इज इट ओपन, इट्स क्लोज, बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ इट। अभी अपन जा रहे हैं डाइनिंग हॉल में। यहाँ का डाइनिंग हॉल लुक्स मोर लाइक अ कैफे and a fancy cafe. You would agree with me, right? Look at this cafe. I mean, sorry, dining hall. तो यहाँ पे दिन के 4 मील मिलते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, स्नैक्स एंड डिनर। ये 2 फ्लोर में यहाँ पे लगभग 400 लोगों का अकोमोडेशन हो जाता है एक टाइम पे। एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि बस स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आके खाएंगे, प्रोफ्स भी यहीं पे खाते हैं। तो मस्त प्रोफ के साथ चिट चैट करके लोग खा सकते हैं। अभी अपन जा रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट दिखाता हूँ, बहुत क्रेजी जगह है यहाँ पे। सो वी हैव वन ऑफ द एम्प्लॉई फ्रॉम Rishiwood University to help us with this particular tour, and here's this sweet guy Sandeep ji.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good.
So yeah, let's show
Are you
our
having
people.
fun? Are you guys having fun?
I am having super fun.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So this is our volleyball court. Apart
Yeah.
from that, we also have our basketball court here,
Oh.
and along with lawn tennis. So
Nice.
we have 2 lawn tennis courts. Along with that, we have a cricket pitch at the other side, and we have a
Even
full
this
size
area
ground.
is also beautiful. Like
Absolutely.
the greenery everywhere, and there are those benches.
Absolutely, and it's a huge 25-acre property, and here's the learners arena, which was inaugurated by none other than Padma Shri Baichung Bhutia ji.
So right now we are into the learners arena, and we are close to this huge swimming pool over here.
अभी गर्मी इतनी है ना, मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं जाके कूद लूं, बट
Absolutely, why not?
But प्रायोरिटी पे वीडियो है फिलहाल। एग्जैक्टली इसके नीचे अपन थोड़ी देर पहले थे, वहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल था। एंड अभी जस्ट उसके ऊपर वी हैव दिस ह्यूज बैडमिंटन कोर्ट। हियर यू हैव 4 कोर्ट्स। ओवर हियर वी हैव जिम, वी हैव पूल रूम, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज द स्क्वैश, जो कि इंडिया में काफ़ी कम कॉलेजेस में होता है, बट यहाँ पे ऋषिवुड यूनिवर्सिटी में है। हियर इज द स्क्वैश रूम। ओवर हियर वी हैव जिम। कम ऑन, जिम इज फुल्ली इक्विप्ड, लाइक सारे मशीन है यहाँ पे, ट्रेडमिल, बाइसेप, ट्राइसेप, everything is available here. We have a huge mirrors to check up the progress. Abhi let's move towards the pool room. So this is the pool room. We have here table tennis, carom, all the indoor games most probably. Yeah, that's all about learners arena, and let's see what we have ahead. So guys, मेकर्स अंडरग्रेड प्रोग्राम का सबसे बेहतरीन चीज़ है सेमिस्टर 0. मतलब ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि जिससे आप बिफोर एडमिशन बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ग्रैब कर सकते हैं. इसके बारे में अपन को डिटेल में बताने वाले हैं संदीप जी. सो लेट्स आस्क हिम.
Alright, so semester 0 is apparently something that you won't have heard anywhere.
Exactly.
It's a concept where you actually get the chance to enroll for a pre-admissions internship. So
Okay.
before you actually commence your learning journey, you get the chance to work with startups like Farmly and a couple of other startups with whom we have our tie-ups. You work on live projects right now itself. I mean, before you actually start your semester from the month of August for this batch, you get the chance to do it right now. So moreover, LinkedIn workshops, LinkedIn optimization, CV building, industry sessions, expert mentorship sessions, and all of that is part of that semester 0.
Okay.
In times like these, right, where skills are more valued than just a conventional degree in front of a name, what adds that brownie point to your CV is how much you actually learned throughout your journey. Right? So there is not one fine day where you actually end up building, okay, आज मेरी CV बन गई. So it's a gradual process, right?
Yeah, I can
so
understand.
which you start from day 1 itself.
Yeah.
But guess what? In case if you start it from day 0, so moreover you'll also get a certificate that you have cleared semester 0 and all of that, which I definitely think is a cherry on the cake, because 3 साल या 4 साल बाद आप जब बैठोगे placements के लिए, yeah, when you run for grabbing internships, so this is the certificate and these are the skills that you actually learn on the way, adds the real value.
Yeah.
It's not the degree that you get, the degree that Isherwood University will give you. Of course every university does that, but the real value is what you have learned throughout this journey. And if you want to do that right now, I guess I'll give you the link that you can share it with your audience, and they can click on that link, proceed with their application, and our team will guide them with what semester 0 is all about.
So now we are into the podcast room, जो कि यहाँ की ऐसी जगह है जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई है. Obviously I am a creator, so I would love places like this. So have a look. यहाँ पे एक परमानेंट ग्रीन स्क्रीन है, यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड है रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए, एंड अपन यहाँ पे अभी शोभित सर से मिलने वाले हैं. वो आएंगे, उनके साथ ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे. So finally we have Shobhit sir with us, and as I introduced you earlier that Shobhit sir is also from our campus. Why should students pick Isherwood University for their undergrad?
That's a good question. We are very young in that sense as a university, so it's a natural question that why should we choose you over many others. See, education today in 3 ways I'll say what is different. You go back to your college, even if I go back after 20 years, I'll find the similar faculty teaching this, possibly the same things from the same textbook even now, while the world has moved on, right?
Yeah.
So we have not brought our education to be to present day times and even to be future ready. So I think that is a big gap. So curriculum being aligned with the industry needs. So our curriculum has to first look at what is the industry needs and work backwards and then be designed. So I think that is something very, very important to be done, and that is the first thing that we do at Isherwood, that it is close integration with industry, not just in design but also in delivery of the program, in terms of the faculty, in terms of the projects, internships, completely integrated with the industry. Point 1. Secondly, most colleges and universities are preparing students for the first job, right? Oh, so hamara placement package itna and we got this, right? But if you see this, if you see a long enough career trajectory, you will see that it is not always the first job that matters. Long enough, many different people do something drastically different and overtake everybody else. So that comes from other skills which are not just your technical skills, right? You may call them softer skills, you may call them leadership skills, personality development. So a lot of other dimensions that help you develop a better career. So what is this? Critical thinking, decision taking, right? Team building, managing talent, right? Crisis management. All these different things are very, very important to be understood because that is what will set you apart in your career, right? So this is not extracurricular. This is a part of the curriculum at Rishihood. So
Yeah.
you get a best combination of both of these. So we have a lot of focus on developing the entire personality of the person as well, beyond just the skill set, developing the person's emotional health, mental health, physical health. That is why we are a residential campus. Residential campus, not just for the heck of it, right? It is important because the entire curriculum is designed, the classroom is one small part, but your morning to evening is designed in a way that will develop you in its full entirety. And that is what is Rishihood, that your
Oh.
full potential has been expressed.
Acha, हाँ.
A Rishi is a person who has reached the highest potential.
Yep.
So that is what we are trying to develop at Rishihood. So it keeps you apart. The industry integrated curriculum, the softer skill element that will give you a leapfrogging in your career, and the third part is developing your personality in a complete holistic way. That is why Rishihood is different.
Okay. From the time I have been here, I have heard that Makers undergrad program is like the best. Like all of other programs are also best, but this is your one of the top-notch one. So like, how is it unique from other BBA programs here at Rishihood?
See, I did my BTech at IIT Bombay.
Yeah.
I did masters abroad. I came back after a few years. I did my MBA from the Indian School of Business. So what is my thinking? Oh, I'm a techie, but I don't want to do techie things. I want to start my own thing. So now I have to do business education. So when I'm doing my tech education, I never got a business exposure.
Yeah.
I had to spend more years,
On
more
business.
money, learn business, and then fuse these two things into my mind. Because
Yeah.
during business, they never taught me technology. When I learned technology, they never taught me business. But most startups, everything that we do today is a combination of technology and business, right? So the BBA program at Rishihood is that. It's a combination of business, entrepreneurship, and technology rolled into one program, which is very, very different.
Yeah.
And it's an undergraduate level. So you're saving your time for your PG because most of the students who graduate today will either do their own startup or work for a startup, right?
Yeah.
But the education is outdated. They're training you on specific disciplines, not giving you all these things, right? So how do we combine technology and business education into one and a very high quality undergraduate program in the way it is taught that I explained to you, which is very hands-on, industry centric and learning by doing.
Okay.
Right?
What's the best advice you have ever received about leadership?
Yeah, so leadership, best advice would be to follow politicians. People hate politicians, but I love politicians because they're perhaps the most stressful job and they have to handle so many different challenges. So, yeah,
Okay.
learn from politicians.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank
And
you.
I really enjoyed having a conversation with you.
Thank you, Rishi.
Yep.
Thanks for coming over. Thank you.
Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the tour video. And अगर आप अभी अपना college ढूंढ रहे थे तो you don't need to find it anymore because you have found the right place, which is Rishihood University. I have given more details in the links given in the description. You can go and check out over there. So bye bye. See you soon in the next video.